Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Today's video will be about this look. So first off, I'll be priming my eyes with my House of Hair eyeshadow primer. This is what I usually use. It's like my go-to, and I'll be using this Zaroncosmetics eyeshadow palette, 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I'll pick up that shade and just blend it to my crease area, and I'll be using that shade. It's like a dark pink shade, and I'll apply that to just intensify and to give it more depth, to give my crease area more depth. So I'll be using another shade and I'll just apply it in a round form. I'll be cutting out my crease with that flat brush. It makes it very easy for me, and that's what I'm doing. Next, I'll be using that shade from my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'll just apply that to the beginning part of my eyes, my eyelid. I'll just press that down, and I'll be using another shade. It's like a purple shade, but it has pigments in it. So I'll just apply that to the remaining part of my eyelid. And next I'll go back to I'll be using that shade to just blend out the edge, the outer V area, and to make sure that the purple blends with the other shades I've applied to my crease area. So just blend and tie everything together, tie the whole look together. Next, I'll be using a black eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I'll just line my eyes with that. I'll wing it out just a little bit, and nothing too thick, just something nice and soft. The next thing I'll be doing is lashes. I'll be applying my Ilobeautycity lashes off camera real quick, or I'll try and do an eyelash application tutorial when I can. Okay. So I'll be using my Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Honey. I'll just apply that real quick. I have a detailed video on how my foundation routine video, so I just skipped the whole setting of the face and contouring, highlighting and all of that, and blush. I have a detailed video. It will be linked up and also in the description box. I don't want this video to be too long. The focus of this video is on the eyes, so I use those two lipstick shade, and here is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. Kindly share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.